In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a PNG in Kapwing. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, exporting your work correctly is a crucial step in ensuring your final product looks exactly as you envisioned. Kapwing is a convenient tool that many creators enjoy using, as it offers a wide range of features and outputs. Let's guide you through this process to make it as seamless as possible. Before kicking off the export process, it's essential to thoroughly review your project. This means checking each element. Verify that your text is free of typos, your images are aligned as intended, and any additional media components, such as audio or video clips, are synced and functioning correctly. Conducting a quick review helps prevent potential issues in the final output, saving you time from having to re-export due to a missed error. Once you're confident that everything looks perfect, your next step is to navigate to the Export Project button. You'll usually find this button at the top right corner of your editor screen. Clicking on it will initiate the process of exporting your project. This is where Kapwing really begins to shine, as it prepares your work for download and sharing, preserving the integrity of your design or media composition. Now, here's an important note. In some cases, the PNG format might not be immediately visible as an option. Kapwing's export availability can sometimes vary based on the type of project you're working on or the features available at the time. However, if PNG is an option, it will definitely appear in the Export drop-down menu. Once you see the PNG option, you'll also want to decide on the resolution of your file. Keep in mind that higher resolutions are ideal for projects where clarity and detail are paramount, such as detailed graphics or images that will be printed. Conversely, if you're more working under bandwidth constraints or aiming to deliver a lighter file, you might opt for a standard resolution. After selecting PNG and setting your desired resolution, you can confidently move forward by clicking on Export PNG. This step finalizes the export process, ensuring that your project is rendered in the crisp, clean format of a PNG. This format is well suited for images and designs that require transparent backgrounds or scenarios where lossless compression is advantageous. Recapping the process, remember to review your project thoroughly before exporting. Click the Export Project button. Select the PNG format when available. Choose your resolution thoughtfully, and finally, hit Export PNG. By following these steps, you'll be proficient in exporting high-quality PNG files directly from Kapwing, optimized for your specific creative needs. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!